So how do you allow the local network access on the iPad? And let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So most likely you got a pop-up from some apps to access your local network of devices, and you might have clicked on allow or not allow, whatever, but you can find it all in the settings app of the iPad by going down a little bit, scrolling to find the option which is called privacy and security. And in here you can change a bunch of different things like location settings and whatnot, but below you also have the local network menu, and all of those apps which have asked to access it will be in here. So no matter if you allowed it or not, it's going to show up in there, and you'll be able to change it from now on to however you want to have it. So you, for example, make it a stop by disabling the toggle for some apps. You can re-enable it later, depends on how exactly you want it. So as you can see below, it's the apps that have requested permission to find and communicate with devices on your local network. Those are the apps that will appear right here. So let me know if you managed to find it, if you did actually do what you wanted. Subscribe for more. In case of any questions, leave them below as usual. I'm going to wrap up the video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you then.